All right, so my name is Kurt New. I'm the school age care supervisor for the Adventure Connection and Epic programs. Really appreciate you all taking the time to be with us tonight and really appreciate you being a part of our summer. This has been a planning for summer unlike any other, including a good length of time where we weren't even sure if we were going to be allowed to have a summer program. But we are here and we think we've come up with ways to meet the recommendations of MDH and CDC while still providing an enjoyable summer experience for your children. So in a moment here, I'm going to show a little video that our marketing director, Jill Paul, put together. We really appreciate her in a very short amount of time getting videos put together for all 4 of our different programs. And that will hopefully give you a little bit more insight to what the program is going to look like under some of the new guidance and recommendations that we have. And then after that, I would be happy to stay and answer any questions that you have. You can either ask the questions over the microphone, or there's also a group chat option if you wanted to ask questions that way as well. Either one is fine. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and get our video pulled up here, and we'll start by showing that to you.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Mary.
Welcome to Skyview Epic Summer. We're excited to have you join us this summer. It's going to look a bit different from past summers, so we wanted to give you a taste of what our spaces look like and a bit of what to expect. When each student arrives, they will need to go through a health screening before they're signed in. The iPads will be labeled for the full day and primetime sessions. We also have a communication notebook. Please use this to leave notes about changes to pickups or upcoming absences. You're also encouraged to email us or call the site if your child will not be attending care that day. The board to the right is where you will find which group your student is in and our monthly activity calendar. We will be communicating with families via email or phone rather than sending out your behavior reports home, unless you request otherwise. After the screening and signing in, your child will be sent to the 8th grade house, where they will wash their hands and put their belongings in their classroom. As you have heard, this summer students will be placed in smaller groups. They will remain in these groups throughout the day with the same students, and we will rotate using the gym, doing art and STEM in the lab, relaxing in the lounge, and playing outside. We will also be implementing extra sanitizing of high-touch surfaces, toys, playground, and common group spaces. We can't wait to welcome you here on Thursday, June 11th, and we're looking forward to a great summer.
All right, so that was our quick little virtual tour there. Hopefully gives you a little better sense of the space we'll be at and how the day will be set up. And on that note, I am happy to answer any questions that anyone who's a part of this chat might have and want to ask.
Kurt?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Stacy. This is my daughter, Savannah.
Hi, Savannah, Stacy. Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you too. Just had a question. I saw in one of the emails that for obvious reasons there won't be any field trips, but there might be speakers coming in, guest speakers. I was just curious if you could talk a little bit about those speakers or who they are or what they might be talking about.
Sure. So I don't have, each site is a little different. I don't have each site's list right in front of me, so I can't tell you definitively who Skyview is bringing in right now. But guest speakers probably isn't the most accurate term. Performers or presenters is probably a more accurate way of looking at it. I know there was a magician that a couple of sites were looking at bringing in. I know there's somebody who has some pet llamas that he takes to different schools for presentations that I believe Epic was one of the sites trying to get them in. So it's more things of that nature that are supposed to just be kind of enjoyable experiences. They would either take place outside or in a larger open space, probably the gym, so that we could still do all our social distancing. And we would of course set things up where the presenter or performers would not be in close immediate proximity to our kids, because obviously there are people who might be at other sites performing during the summer as well. So we want to make sure that we're putting in the proper protocols to keep everyone safe. But that's kind of a general overview of what that will look like.
Great, thank you.
No problem. All right, well, I'll stay on for a couple more minutes here. If anybody thinks of any other questions they want to ask, again, you can ask on the microphone or in the group chat. But otherwise, again, thank you for being part of our program this summer. We're really looking forward to working with all of you starting tomorrow. So look forward to seeing you there, and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, you too.